Hello friends, me Sachin Thakkar and today we are going to start most important MCQs of MSc Chemistry Semester 1 in Organic Chemistry. In this video, I have put direct answer instead of option, and this video is very useful for all university exam including HNGU University. So let's start. Our first question, nucleophilic reaction in inorganic molecules generally follow the mechanism. Answer, associative. Second question, the tendency of more electronegative ligands to seek low electronegative apical position in trigonal bipyramidal structure is called, answer is apicophilicity. Third question, non-conduction bands are, answer, completely filled valence band. Fourth question, the shape of IF3 molecular is, answer is T-shape. Fifth question, in the N-type extrinsic semiconductor, extra electron occupies, answer donor level below the bottom of conductor band. Sixth question, the geometry of ICl4 minus ion is, answer square planar. Seventh question, the maximum repulsion exists between, answer lone pair. Eighth question, the band gap between valence and conduction band in intrinsic semiconductor is in the range, answer 0.5 to 3.0 electrovolt. Ninth question, decrease in conductivity with increase in temperature is a characteristic of, answer conductor. 10th question, the intermediate structure in Berry pseudorotation in trigonal bipyramidal structure is, answer square pyramidal. 11th question, bis complex of Fe2 with 110 phenolphthalein is, answer paramagnetic. 12th question, metal with high charge to radius ratio forms complex, answer more stable. 13th question, the least stable complex is, answer CuNH3 2 plus. 14th question, value of stepwise stability constant generally, answer decreases. 15th question, chelating ligands form complexes then with non-chelating ligands, answer is more stable. 16th question, the correct relationship is, answer delta G equal to RT log ln. 17th question, replacement of monodentate ligands by cyclic polydentate ligands lead to, answer greater stability. 18th question, for 81 NH3 system, the value of K2 is less than K1. Answer is more. 19th question, thermodynamic stability is related to, answer stability constants. 20th question, tries complex of Fe2 with 110 phenolphthalein is, answer diamagnetic. 21st question, conjugated base mechanism for base hydrolysis was proposed by, answer Gasseric. 22nd question, if two complexes form a bridge intermediate, the mechanism will be, answer inner sphere. 23rd question, Bronsted acidity of anemia is dash as compared to water. Answer is less. 24th question. CONH3 3 plus complex is, answer is inert. 25th question. The order of liability of low spin complex, answer is D5 is greater than D4 is greater than D3 is greater than D6. 26th question. Pi bonding theory of trans space effect was given, answer Chet and Orgel. 27th question. With the decrease in the value of crystal field stabilization energy, the activation energy, answer is decreases. 28th question. Substitution of x is very rapid in square planar PT die in x plus when x is, answer is NO3 minus. 29th question. Nucleophiles are, answer Lewis bases. 30th question. Electrostatic polarization theory was developed by, answer Greenberg. 31st question. Ligand group with minimum trans effect, answer is H2O. 32 question. The mechanism of substitution reaction in square planar complex is, answer SN2. 33 question. Labile complexes are, answer fast ligand replacing complex. 34th question. Reaction of chloride with PTNH3 2 plus gives, answer trans PTNH3 twice Cl2. 35th question. According to MOT means molecular orbital theory, E orbitals are dash in tetrahedral complexes, answer is non-bonding. 36th question. Carbonyl ligands in the complexes causes delta 0 to, answer is increases. 37th question. The paramagnetisms of high spin complexes is dash than that of low spin complexes, answer is larger. 38th question. The color of TiH2O6 3 plus ion is purple. 39th question. P orbital retains their degeneracy in tetrahedral complexes, answer is true. 40th question. The number of unpaired electrons is equal in configuration in strong and weak ligand fields, answer is D1, D8, D9. All answer are right. It means D1, D8 and D9. 41st question. When the ligands are stronger, answer is delta 0 is greater than P. 42 question. T2G orbital in octahedral field are, answer non-bonding. 43 question. F ligands in the complex result delta 0 to, answer is lower. 44th question. In the Welles diagram of BeH2, energy of 2A1 is dash linear structure, answer is lower. 45th question. The barrier to inversion in ethyl propyl phenylphosphine is, answer is 120 kilojoule per mole. 46th question. Shape of SF4 molecule is, answer is distorted trigonal bipyramidal. 47th question. The magnitude of electrical conductivity depends on. Answer is density of charge carries and the charge on carrier. 48th question. The band gap between valence and conduction band in insulator is. Answer is very high. 49th question. The stable nature of phosphide oxide is attributed to. Answer is p-pi bond. 50th question. Lone pair occupies position in trigonal bipyramidal structure. Answer is equatorial. Dear students and dear friends, if you want to join our Instagram, Telegram and WhatsApp group, then link is available in description box. Thank you.